Hello class 12, hope you are doing well. So today I will continue the previous chapter, that is mathematical inverse. Now sum number 1 for today. Tan inverse root over 1 plus cos x plus root over 1 minus cos x divided by root over 1 plus cos x minus root over 1 minus cos x. So whenever 1 plus cos x and 1 minus cos x will be there, I will just apply the formula of submultiple angle. So LHS, first we will write tan inverse root over 1 plus cos x. So this one 2 cos square x by 2 plus root over 2 sin square x by 2. Similarly here also 2 cos square x by 2 minus root over 2 sin square x by 2. Just the formula of submultiple angle. So here tan inverse, now remove the square root sign, then root 2 cos x by 2 plus root 2 sin x by 2, root 2 cos x by 2 minus root 2 sin x by 2. Now take root 2 as common, so it will be cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Now whenever this format will be there, I will just divide both the numerator and denominator by cos x by 2 to make it tan. So this one I will write tan inverse. If you will divide this one by cos, then it will be 1 plus tan x by 2 divided by 1 minus tan x by 2. Now again I have to make this one as tan pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 2, 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan x by 2. Now what is the formula here? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. It will be tan a plus b. So tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now tan inverse tan, both of them are same. So we can write pi by 4 plus x by 2 equals to RHS proved. Now the next one. First I will apply the same formula here. That means 1 plus cos theta will be 2 cos square theta by 2 and 1 minus cos 2 sin square theta by 2. So tan 2 tan inverse root over 2 cos square theta by 2, 2 sin square theta by 2. Tan 2 tan inverse. Now this one will be cot theta by 2. So we can write tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Sorry, pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Complementary angle. Because we know that cot theta equals to tan 90 minus theta, just to make both of them equal. And that tan theta will be continued. Now tan inverse tan, so I will multiply both of them. It will be pi minus theta plus tan theta. Now observe this one carefully. Tan pi minus theta, it is associate angle. So pi minus theta means pi minus theta. So it is in second quadrant and we know that all sin, tan, cos. That means tan will be negative here. So since it is pi, tan will be as it is, that means minus tan theta plus tan theta, that will be 0 equals to RHS proved. Now the next one. Cos inverse cos x plus cos y by 1 plus cos x cos y equals to 2 tan inverse that one. So first I have to observe this one, that cos inverse something equals to 2 tan inverse something. I will start from the left part, and we know that whatever the result of the inverse will be there, that will be some angle. So I have taken this one as theta. Means let cos inverse cos x plus cos y by 1 plus cos x cos y equals to theta. So from here we can write that cos theta equals to cos x plus cos y by 1 plus cos x cos y. Now we have to prove in tan, in the term of tan. So in place of cos theta we can write 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. It is the formula of cos theta. Now this one will be as it is, cos x plus cos y by 1 plus cos x cos y. Now we have to prove that 2 tan inverse. So we need tan theta by 2. That's why now here I will apply componendo and dividendo. Means first I will add both of them and I will write in the numerator, then I will subtract, write in the denominator. So if I will add both of them, I will get 1 plus 1 2 here, and if I will subtract, then minus 2 tan square theta by 2, and here the same thing will be applied. So if I will add both of them, then I will get cos x plus cos y plus 1 plus cos x cos y. Similarly, cos x plus cos y minus 1 minus cos x cos y. Now I will just simplify this one. So 2 will be cancelled. I will factorize this part. This one I will factorize. 1 by minus tan square theta by 2 equals to, if I will take cos x plus 1, cos x and 1 take together, and then cos y and cos x cos y. So cos x plus 1 will be together like this, and then if we will take cos y from here, it will be also 1 plus cos x. That means 1 plus cos y. I will repeat once more. Cos x plus 1, both of them take together, and then cos y cos x cos y. So take cos y common, that will be also 1 plus cos x. That means 1 plus cos x into 1 plus cos y. Similarly, cos x minus 1, take it together, cos x minus 1. Then if we will take minus cos y from here, then also cos x minus 1 we will get. So 1 minus cos y. Just factorize both of them. Now 1 minus sign is there, and minus take common from cos x minus 1. What is the reason of that? We know one formula is there, that 1 plus cos x by 1 minus cos x. That's why I will take minus common from here, and that minus sign will be cancelled from both the sides. So 1 by tan square theta by 2 equals to, the formula is 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. That means 1 by tan square x by 2. Similarly this one, 1 minus cos y by 1 plus cos y. That will be 1 by tan square y by 2. Now we need tan theta by 2. So that means tan theta by 2 equals to tan x by 2 tan y by 2. Now theta by 2 equals to tan inverse tan x by 2 tan y by 2. So theta equals to 2 tan inverse this one. After that we will write theta equals to 2 tan inverse this one. Now the left part I have taken as theta, and right now I have proved that the right part is also theta. That means both of them are equal. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS proved.